Let me get this right. Can you see me? Yeah, I think you can. New subscribers, hello there. Guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another new vlog. In this vlog, I will be unboxing my new 2022 MacBook Pro 16. Super, one more time excited. Let's go right into it and let's just unbox this thing. Whoa. That was nice and easy. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Tell you what though, when I was unboxing this, really fascinated how Apple kept this box so simple, so neat. This is what I actually like, big brands where they actually spend time and effort to do their research to give that customer that experience, like where they actually remember things. This is what makes all these big car brands special, for instance Tesla. But the simplest thing, but still they make it the best. Yeah, this MacBook was expensive. The one that I wanted, there was a wait time up to a month and a half. Couldn't really wait that long for a computer because I really needed one for my all this editing and just basic stuff. Book which I probably will never read anyway, doesn't matter. Something like this. You know what, I've actually decided this time I'm not gonna use any laptop cover. Let me open this up. Whoa, that is nice. So I didn't have to press nothing, just started. Cool, good stuff. Remove this. So my MacBook Pro, well, I had it for a good 9 years now. It's 2013. It's been great. It's just recently that I felt the MacBook Pro would be a bit more sluggish during my video editing time, and also just to do the basic day-to-day stuff, it was kind of having a hard time. Very nice. Look at that display. Oh my god. Hello there. Hola. I think that's in Spanish. Yeah, that is Spanish. What's next? Hello. What language is that? Bonjour, that's French. Yeah. What is this? What language is this, guys? This is Chinese. I hope it is. Sorry. Going on now. How do I get this to English? Oh yeah. Yeah, English UK. Because the last thing I want to do is just pick a complete different language and just get stuck. I don't want to do that. That actually happened to me once, and so I'd rather take my time and do this. When it comes to technology, these are the bits that I always make sure that I take my time and do it. Especially when booking flights as well. Goodness, like when you do those online check-in and stuff, you gotta be careful. It's my Wi-Fi, by the way. That's what I call it, Mars. I don't know why I call that. Full name. Oh yes, Muntii on cars. Please continue for now.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. Okay. You can change it later in system preferences.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hey Siri, how are ya? What's next? What is this? Okay. Yeah, I like my light. Oh yes. I was really shocked to find out that it doesn't have any USB port. So I had to get a special adapter, which is here, that will go on the side of the MacBook, and then I would be able to have all this port. Sucks, right? Paying all that money and you still don't get the basic. Typical big brands. This is like a BMW of laptop. I don't know why big brands they do that. Here it is, guys. This is gonna be my new editing workshop. Guys, I think this worth mentioning. The sound in this, oh my god, it's incredible. I'm happy. I'm super happy. I'm really looking forward to do all my editing with it. Hopefully I can achieve my videos how I want it to be using this MacBook Pro, my new camera which I'm recording on, and the lights I got there. Guys, so yes, that's all I had to show you for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Just do make sure to give it a little thumbs up. Just smash it like that. Yeah, I'll see you for next time. Goodbye.